Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Lowe credit card account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and type in lowe.com. It will take you to the official website of Lowe Bank. And over here, you can see the Lowe Credit Center at the top right hand. Click on the Lowe Credit Center. Once you do that, you can see the card options. Click on your card type. And I'm using my Lowe Rewards credit card. And once you do that, wait till the page loads up. And over here, you can see the login section. Enter your user ID of the account like this, and enter your password. You can confirm your password by clicking on the Submit button. Once you do that, click on the Secure Login. You should be able to log in into your Lowe credit card account. And in case if you guys forgot your user ID or password, you can reset it by clicking on I forgot my user ID or password. And if you want to create a new account in Lowe Card, you can click on I want to register or apply. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video.